Okay, time for another video. We are doing a deck restore basically on a 2015 Bentley. I hung my console from the rafters, which is awesome because I didn't have to disconnect anything. Everything is still intact. Really was able to pull it up high enough to get underneath the deck well also. The deck was, I would say, 95% shape. There was a few spots here and there where screws were, kind of trying to rot the wood out. I had knocked this corner off. Now, let me say this. I am no Bondo man or anything of the like. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So it's just swinging a hit or swinging a miss. And I'll go up top in just a second. But I did build this corner. I put some tin foil underneath this. I shaped the other corner like this corner, put tin foil in it, and then I filled it with this wood fix. And let me show you what it is because it is super bad to the bone. It's called Fix Wood. It's made for boats. It is 100% waterproof. It's a two-part epoxy you put together and you mix it. Well, let me tell you, it is thick. And when I say thick, peanut butter doesn't hold a candle. It is super thick. And I tested a few areas the other day because I wasn't sure how good it was gonna like fill these spots. And as you can see, some of it that was already cured, I already sanded it. The sanding part was the easy part. So use plenty of it. In some places I didn't use enough, but I still don't care. And a lot of this I just did today. So I've got to wait for it to cure before I can sand it. And some of you see the previous videos, we're doing Tough Coat. And I don't care if it shows imperfections. What I'm getting rid of is rotten carpet that holds water, that tries to rot wood. I'm just sick of it. So we're going back with Tough Coat. And it is what it is. But all these screw holes or screw where they pulled it and it countersunk into the deck, I filled it with that wood fix. And from what I did the other day and what I've already sanded, it looks like it's going to hold up really well. I mean, it's super hard. You're supposed to be able to sand it, drill through it. Pretty happy with that part. And only time will tell, you know, of the mistakes I made, which I know there's going to be some. And I will say this, I am not skimping on the primer and I'm not skimping on the Tough Coat. It's going to get all it needs. I want it super thick, so when the deck does flex a little bit, then hopefully it won't crack. It will just flex a little. That's the goal. Anyway, so I won't be cheating the primer and I'm not going to be cheating the Tough Coat. We got 4 gallons of Tough Coat that's going to go on this deck. 2 gallons on the first and 2 more gallons after that, which is supposed to be just plenty. So I'm probably going to have to stop for today, let all this cure. They say you can sand it in a couple hours. I might come back and take a look in a few hours to see if I can sand it, because I want to get this baby in the water for this spring. And I'm going to get hard on it and try to get it done in the next 2 weeks. Okay, that's it for this one.